Hey, what's up, YouTube? Thanks for joining me for another video. So today, I got a new filter. It's filled with sand, and I'm going to put on the whole house water filter. We have a system that's full of rust because of our holding tanks, and I'm going to quickly put on a new filter and just show you guys how I do this every about 3 or 4 months because we have really bad rust, and this thing is really great. So I recommend it to everybody. So just watch me quickly throw a new one in there. All right, pulling it out now, and look how much rust is inside of there. And this filter is really good at collecting the rust and any kind of loose particles that may be floating in the water right there. Replace the gasket and put a little lube. All right, time to let it rip. Come on in. Let that water cycle through.